Alright, y'all. Back on the road. Alright, y'all. We are leaving the hotel now. Jumping in. Look at that sunrise, though. Isn't that beautiful? Nice little frost layer on the van here. Nice and cold, yet I am in my shorts and t-shirt. Gotta love it. So we've decided on I've decided on a technique that I'm okay with as far as coffee is concerned. I have given up coffee except on road trips. And we are on a road trip. You ready?
Ready.
Let's do it.
We are on the road. We are in Tennessee. We are right outside or inside Nashville. Robert's been driving this morning. We are going to grab coffee, get gas, use the bathroom, and then I'm going to take my turn. So I think we're about halfway there, right?
Yeah, about halfway.
We're about halfway there. We got to go through all of Kentucky and then just a tad bit of Ohio, and then we will be there.
Alright, y'all, Crystal said we're getting gas right now. Those steaks that I sliced up and cooked yesterday, I'm gonna warm one of those up in the microwave they have there, throw some of that ketchup on there, and eat that on the road. Alright, that is what we have right now. Steak and ketchup. Interesting combination. What you got, babe?
Ground beef and sausage.
It's too dark, but it's ground beef and sausage. Alright, y'all, we're back on the road. Got our Starbucks coffee. We just got done watching AD Keto's new review of the Cinnamon Crunch Keto Brick, and I just have to say, AD Keto is like awesome. He's just a cool guy. Like, I literally laugh, smile, enjoy every moment of his content. He's just a really good person, y'all. So if you're not following AD Keto, definitely follow AD Keto. Agreed, babe?
Yeah, oh yeah, 100%. We
100%.
like literally laugh out loud, both of us.
Yeah.
That's like one of the few people we can always go and watch, and like both of us are laughing out loud.
Yes, and I love his terminology for things like chonk a keto brick. I love it. We are in Ohio. We just crossed over the bridge and we're getting closer. So we will see you when we get there. Alright, so we just got here, even got my name tag on, and it's just awesome cabin out here in Ohio. Super beautiful. Anyways, we're cooking right now. I'm not cooking, Jessica Ty's doing the cooking. She's making a faux potato au gratin. So I'm gonna get some footage of that.
So how I grease the pan is I always have just a block of Kerrygold butter. Yep. And this is by far the best tasting butter. If you guys have not had this yet, it's amazing. It is so good. Yeah. And I like
I'm
this
gonna celebrate that. Woo, bacon.
Everybody excited?
So it's like if you were making, we're kind of making a nut flour out of macadamia, and that's basically.
We got Jimmy Moore in the house here. What's
What
going
up,
on,
what
Jimmy?
up?
How are you?
How's the Keto Savage Nation?
It's going good, man. It's going good. We got the whole crew here in the house. Alright, y'all, so we just left that cabin. Ready to, well, we're actually going to be staying tonight. Sorry it's so dark out here. But this is the Airbnb where we're going to be at. Give you a quick tour real quick here. So, nice little setup. I don't know where the lights are yet, but pretty cool. You like it, baby?
Yes, super cute.
Alright, y'all, I'm sorry, the lighting situation has just been terrible these past 2 days while on the road, so forgive me for that. But we were in Ohio. We had like the meet and greet tonight. We had a big dinner. I ate a whole bunch of country pork ribs, fall off the bone, tasty, delicious, amazing. And then it looks like a lot of the people here are just introductory to keto. They don't really have a whole lot of foundation on the subject matter, which is cool because Jimmy Moore's here, Christine Moore's here, Crystal and myself are here, Jessica and Derek Ty are here, so we're kind of answering all these people's questions. Molly, who's also a nutritional therapist with Jessica Ty, is here, and we're just kind of introducing these people to the ketogenic lifestyle. It was cool to make a bunch of really tasty food for them to have and see that you can eat keto and it be delicious. And tomorrow, Crystal and I are going to be speaking. I think we're going to talk about making the diet and lifestyle sustainable. We're talking about training. We're going to talk about a little bit of everything. I'm not really sure what all it's going to entail, but it's going to be good. I'm excited about it. It's just cool to be here. It's cool to have this opportunity. It's a beautiful, beautiful cabin out there. This is a nice Airbnb here. It's just a super pretty setup, and I'm happy and proud to be a part of it. Isn't that right, Crystal?
That's right.
That's right. All right. See y'all in the morning. Oh, by the way, the internet here is not too good. So, man, I keep going out of focus. So, the upload speeds are going to be incredibly slow. So, I don't know if I'm going to be able to upload videos or not. But rest assured, I'm going to do whatever I can. So, if I can't upload them, I'll just upload them all when I get back home. So, stay tuned for those. Good night.